Namaste friends, welcome back to Gyanvet channel. In this video we are checking some reasons why one should not invest in mutual funds. Are the stocks better options for their investments? What are the advantages, disadvantages in the mutual fund investment? Are there any other options that will help us to reduce the loss, reduce the risk and have a better strategy? Please stay with us to get the all answers. This video is result of our study and analysis and not a recommendation to pick any specific mutual funds or stocks. When we invest in mutual funds, we get one professional management team help that will help us to allocate the portfolio based on certain sector, theme or allocation strategy. And for that we need to pay certain charges. Often, mutual fund investors expect high returns that will beat the inflation and generate the wealth in the long term. Same time, they want less risk with the portfolio diversification, and many people opt for the tax saving purpose also mutual fund investment. What are the reasons many investors do not want to invest in mutual funds, rather they would choose the stock market? Because many times we have seen the fund have performed inconsistently historically, because also the diversification dilutes some profits which doesn't give the optimum returns. Sometimes fund manager might take some biased calls or he has the conviction which will hit your returns hard. Fund managers sometimes get the redemption pressure if people are redeeming the unit. He has no choice but to sell the stocks even if he want to stay invested. Expense ratio many a times eat your profit. Also you will get the buying and the selling cost with the NAV. You can't get advantage of the peak or bottom of any specific market day that you can get in the stock market. Some funds with comes with the lock-in period, so you don't have any choice but to remain invested even if you don't want to. Also many times you need to pay exit load if you are redeeming the units in the shorter time. Historical performance always doesn't match with future, so there is a risk always in the mutual fund. Instead of investing in mere asset, let us see you have directly invested in that portfolio. So few stocks if you have taken Infosys, HDFC Bank, Reliance and TCS. These have outperformed this mutual fund for last 5 years. If you want to take a look at the top 3 large cap fund, you can check on the channel also. We have done another comparison with Axis Midcap Fund. Here we have seen the large allocation with Cholamandalam Investment, then Coforge, ICICI Bank and PI Industries. So first two stocks has not outperformed the mutual fund, but rest two has done it. So why can't we pick certain stocks and then make our portfolio stronger? If you want, you can take a look for the top 3 midcap fund also on the channel. We have done similar comparison with Nippon India Small Cap Fund also and the portfolio. So here you can see Deepak Nitrite alone outperformed with the large margin. Why can't we pick certain stocks like this and make our portfolio much profitable? If you want, you can take a look at the top 3 small cap fund video also on the channel. Anyone visited the channel for the first time, request you to please subscribe, like, share with your friends. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get notifications for our new videos. Like disadvantages, there are certain advantages also in mutual fund investment. Like it is a convenient investment for most of the investors. They will get a diversified portfolio with small charges. Also, they will get a risk reduction with the expert professional management team. You will get same portfolio allocation even if you have small amount or big investment in the same fund. Autopay is a good option to make your investment easy. Your financial management could be easy with the help of mutual funds. Disciplined investment always help to have the compounding benefits. Sometimes you will manage the tax. To get best out of mutual fund investment, you should have some strategical points. Like you should have the right portfolio, you should choose right mutual funds as per your portfolio, then invest the right amount for the right tenure. Then you will get advantages of the good returns. We will have some videos on the investment portfolio building also. You should make some right time decisions also in some investments. Also, the right redemption is also good strategical point. To build a right portfolio, always you should know what are your financial goals, what is the time duration is there in your hand, what is your risk ability and allocation you want to have. So we have some videos on the channel for the same also. Based on your portfolio strategy, you should pick the right fund. Like you can invest in index fund, you can invest in large cap, mid cap or small cap funds. There are options in micro cap fund also. You can invest in flexi cap and multi cap if your investment horizon is longer. Equity hybrid and debt hybrid funds will help you to manage the risk. Balanced advantage fund will help you to get the advantage of equity, debt and arbitrage. Debt or liquid fund will help you for low duration or for the low risk. ELSS funds will help you to save some tax. There are many other options in the market. ETFs can be used in case you have some demat account facility. There are many videos available on our channel on this one. The right amount to be invested in mutual fund depends on your goal and tenure. Also, what are your expected returns from the market? So we have some strategies on that also on the channel. You can have the investment in lump sum, SIP or STP. In case you are doing some SIP, you should know this formula. Like in case you invest 15,000 per month and getting the return of 15% per year, then within 15 years you will get 1 crore rupees. Also there is another rule of 72. If you divide 72 by the expected return, you will know how much time you will need to double your investment. To grow your investment, you need to give the right tenure for the growth. For that, you should know what is your estimated time frame, which will match your risk ability. It will help you to defeat the volatility with the help of compounding benefit. Also, you will get the advantage of rebalancing opportunity within that time frame. Whenever you are doing some lump sum amount, you can try with the right moment for the investment. In case market falls, you can try to do the averaging. If market further falls, you can try some top up amount. You can better adopt for SIP or STP mode in case you have some lump sum amount. Let us take one example. You have invested for your child's college admission. So don't wait till the admission process goes on. Try to plan the redemption little early. You can do some SWP or switch that amount into debt. So you will get some benefit of avoiding some exit load also, and there is no risk of the market fall at that moment. Also, you can plan for some plan B in case something odd happens at that moment. Based on your investment strategy, you can choose from regular growth, regular dividend, and direct dividend options. We have some videos for that as well. Before investment, you should know about the taxation. Like the debt funds will include that profit into your income if it is short-term capital gain, and long-term capital gain you will pay 20% after indexation. We have some video on the income tax also. For equity mutual funds, you need to pay 15% for STCG and 10% with some exemption clause that also you can visit on the channel. Always remember that you should have an investment strategy with a portfolio that is based on your risk ability, goal and tenure. Better to adopt SIP or STP. Also understand the diversification and the taxation of any fund. Gyanveda channel has many such videos on mutual fund, stocks, IPO, insurance, tax, investments and so many things about the investment journey. So please subscribe, like, share with your friends so everyone will get benefited out of it. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get notifications for our new videos. This will make your investment journey happy. Thanks for watching. Dhanyawad.